what is up guys, Walting here, back with another video. Today we've got the unboxing video of the Huawei P40 Pro. As we all know, this phone does not come with the Play Store, although it does come with the app gallery of Huawei. So let's go ahead, unbox it with our bling bling knife. So let's go ahead and cut the plastic. Satisfying. I always love unboxing brand new sealed phones. It just feels so satisfying. So we'll put the plastic ahead. This is the 256GB model. It's the black 8GB RAM model. It's powered by the high silicon 990 5G chipset. This is the equivalent to the Snapdragon 865. So here we have the phone. Stunning phone. So we're gonna put this aside. Let's check what else we get inside the box. Here we get a silicone case, transparent. Nice of Huawei to actually include a case. We've got our supercharged 40-watt adapter, as well as a Type-C to Type-A charging brick cable, as well as Type-C earphones. So the Huawei P40 Pro comes with a main 50-megapixel camera, as well as a 12-megapixel telephoto periscope camera, as well as a 40-megapixel ultra-wide. So I'll go ahead, set up the phone, and get back to you. But before that, let's peel off this plastic. Oh, yeah, we're gonna pull it this side. So satisfying. ASMR. So as you can see, this is the black variant. It's got a mirror finish. So let's go ahead, start up the phone, and I'll show you the phone once it's set up. So I've set up the phone, guys. The fingerprint scanner is pretty quicker than the S20 Ultra. Overall, the phone is actually way thicker than I thought it would be. Although I'm really happy with the phone, it's got a 90Hz refresh rate display, and it's actually pretty amazing. Overall, I think it's a really gorgeous phone, except for the fact that it's not missing Google Play Store. Anyways, I've got a workaround for the Google Play Store services, and hopefully I'll be sharing updates about this phone regarding the camera and everything. Thank you so much for watching.
Okay.